In this video, I'll show you how to connect AirPods to iPhone 16. Whether you have the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, 16 Pro Max, 16 Plus, whatever iPhone you have, it's basically the same exact process. So what you want to do is you want to go and grab your iPhone and you want to go and grab your AirPods. And you want to kind of just put your AirPods on the back of your particular case and you want to hold down this pairing button that's in the back of these AirPods. So there's a little button on the back of them. And what you want to do is you want to hold down these AirPods. Basically, just hold down that black button until this white light on the front starts blinking like this. Now when it starts blinking, you want to go and bring your AirPods close to your iPhone. So as you can see, I can bring them close just like this. And what you'll be able to do is you should be able to see a pop-up at the bottom of this particular iPhone come up. So as you can see, these are already connected. I don't know why. So I'll go and try this again. We'll pop these things open and you can see as long as this white light is blinking, you should be able to see this AirPods thing come up. So now what you can do is you can go ahead and click on connect, and this will allow you to basically hold these particular AirPods down the back button once again, and then you'll be able to connect these AirPods straight to your iPhone. So now you can go and kind of customize these whichever way and in this case, I'll just have them the same way. And now these headphones are basically connected to your AirPods. So now you can go and use this iPhone, use these AirPods whichever way you want to, and that's basically how you do it. So it really is that basic. Now your AirPods are fully connected to your iPhone 16, and that's essentially how it's done. If this tutorial was helpful, please let me know in the comments below this video, and for more helpful tutorials, you can check the links in the description.